Here's something crazy. You are weaker after a strength training session than you were before a strength training session. When you strength train, think of my hands as your muscle. Your muscle is going to tear and rip apart when you're lifting and when you're strength training. So by the time that workout is over, you're weaker because you didn't have all those tears before. During the next 2 days, as your body is burning extra calories, burning extra energy in order to repair those muscles, those tears are going to build each other back stronger, and that is when you actually increase your muscle mass and increase your strength. It's not the workout itself. However, the workout itself needs to happen in order for the building process to happen. It's that rest day that you have afterwards and the following day that actually gets your muscles to be as strong as they possibly can be. So when you feel like you are weaker after a workout, that is absolutely correct, because your body is now covered in a bunch of little tears, which sounds bad, but it's a very, very good thing.